Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The angel of death came to Hazrat Moses alayhi salam and said, 'Give response to the call of your Lord Jalla Jalaluhu.' Hazrat Musa alayhi salam slept on the eye of the angel of death, so it was plucked out. The angel of death went back to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and submitted, 'You have sent me to such a bondsman of yours as has got no wish to die, and he has plucked my eye out.' So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu replaced his eye. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu then said, 'Go back to my bondsman and say to him, you intend life. If you wish life, place your hand on the back of a bull, and you will get 1 year life increase in your life in exchange for each hair your hand covers.' Hazrat Musa alayhi salam submitted, 'What will happen then?' Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, 'Then you will pass away.' Hazrat Musa alayhi salam submitted, 'Then it should happen right now.' Hazrat Musa alayhi salam then submitted, 'O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, you may capture my soul within a stone's throw from the Holy Land.' Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if I had been there, I would have shown you his grave on one side of the road beside the Red Mound.' Imam Muslim has mentioned another authority of this hadith. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6101.